Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Prism credit score tracking detailed guide step by step clearly. To start using Prism for credit score tracking, visit the official Prism website or download the Prism app from your device's app store. Once you're on the home page, locate the sign up or get started button and click on it. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Next, create a strong password and confirm it. After entering your credentials, click on the Create Account button. Check your email for a confirmation link sent by Prism. Open the email and click on the confirmation link to verify your account. Return to the Prism app or website and log in with your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the credit score tracking section. You will see an option to link your financial accounts. Select the account type you want to link, such as a bank or credit card account. Follow the prompts to securely connect your financial institution. You may need to provide your login credentials for your financial accounts. Prism will use this information to access and analyze your credit data. Once connected, you can view your current credit score and receive updates. Explore additional features to monitor your credit score improvements over time. Consider setting alerts for changes in your credit score. Review your credit report and identify areas for improvement. Utilize the resources provided by Prism for enhancing your credit health. Stay engaged with your credit score updates through the app. Make sure to regularly log in to track your progress. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.